You gotta give him a chance to get it.
Girls, you gotta let Olivia and Griffin get it, okay?
Getting pretty hot. She has a tail.
Watch out, watch out. Wait, Olivia has it.
There, I let Griffin have it.
Kick it, Laura. There you go.
Keep it away from the road, girls.
Griffin and Olivia and 12 7-year-old girls. Not sure who's gonna get tired first. Griffin and Olivia were just playing with all the older boys, so. Oop. Kick it, guys. Somebody kick it, but be careful not to kick the dogs. Yeah, they're a little tired, huh?
Roll it that way.
There we go. Right against the tree. There you go. Nice job. Whoop. Oh my goodness.